Good Tuesday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Vazurek visiting with Ag meteorologist Chris Schrammick at Decision Weather Now, as well as WeatherValet. And Chris, we had an active night of severe weather, and some places reported quite a bit of rainfall.
Yeah, Joe, we had last night, like you said, we had an active weather event going on. We had kind of areas of supercell development that a storm would pop up and then it wouldn't move. It would just kind of rain and rain itself out through an outflow boundary with a 60, 70 mile an hour wind and form another storm. We also had some reported funnel clouds and wall clouds and some tornado warnings. Only observed tornado was up there in Hayes County, or in north of Hayes Center, up in Nebraska, and then the rest of the activity was wall clouds and radar indicated. But there was winds. There was wind reports anywhere from 60 to 70 mile an hour, and then that locally heavy rain in the McDonald area and the large hail. In the McDonald area, we had golf ball to ping pong size hail reported, and also the funnel cloud and the heavy 2.5 inch rainfall that did prompt a flood warning there. We also got a flood warning that's in the eastern on Highway 24 in eastern Sheridan County, western Graham County, where we got 2 to 4 inches of rain in that area. And then there was a strip that went through southeastern Rollins County into western Decatur County that had 1 to 3 inch amounts on it, and another strip that formed late that went through Thomas County that also had, the 1 to 3 inch type rain amounts on it as well. It was from the northwest of Colby all the way to the southeastern parts of Thomas County, with Colby reporting 1.2 inches. So Colby actually did pick up some rain there with that last storm that moved through around 11 p.m. This activity now this morning is still out there. We still got that frontal boundary that's coming down from Nebraska. We got a low pressure that's sitting at the Kansas-Colorado border. With this east wind and cooler, cloudier conditions, but with that east wind and moisture in place and the energy, we've got storms that are firing along the Kansas-Nebraska border, Highway 36 from Oberlin to Phillipsburg up on the border, building kind of south and east back into Rollins County, where we do got some activity to the north of Herndon, some isolated scattered thunderstorm, rain showers, and then a bigger line out in Colorado that's extending from Denver all the way through Fort Morgan, upwards to Sterling, and into the Imperial, Nebraska area. So as that front and everything keeps working its way towards us, we're going to have some scattered activity probably to the northern areas here this morning, and then another line of strong to severe storms that will move through late afternoon and early evening. We're going at 4 to 10 p.m. again. We do have the threat of large hail up to 2 inches in diameter, wind gusts to 70 to 90 miles per hour, and the isolated tornadoes and heavy rainfall. So the energy is still there with this second low and trough that'll be coming through later this afternoon and evening. Temperature-wise, we'll be in the middle 70s for highs, east wind at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Humidity and moisture in place. The skies will be mostly cloudy for the most part. Then when we get tonight, we'll see the skies clear out. The temperatures will drop into the middle 50s. And then tomorrow, as high pressure builds out to the west, eventually moves over the area on Thursday. And then Friday we'll see, and Saturday that'll be directly overhead, and we'll see those temperatures really shoot up there to readings in the triple digits, possibly breaking records around that 104, 5, and 6 degrees. Tomorrow, we're expecting highs to be in the middle 80s. On Thursday, the middle 90s. The winds will gradually start picking up. Tomorrow, they'll still be from the north at 5 to 15. Turn to the south on Thursday, gusting 15 to 25. And then Friday and Saturday, we're looking at 20 to 40 to 45 mile an hour winds from the southwest. It'll really be heating things up. Could elevate some fire concerns if it does, where areas where we didn't get the rain because of the scattered and isolated nature of these supercells, and our overnight lows will go into that 65 to 70 degree range and really heat up. But that will be short-lived, as we got another trough breaking down the ridge on Sunday evening, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, where we got thunderstorm chances just about every afternoon and evening. It'll bring those temperatures back down. After the mid-100s Friday and Saturday, we'll be in the mid-90s on Sunday. dropping into the upper 80s, low 90s on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. All 3 of those days, we should have thunderstorm chances and the continued accumulation of severe weather and this locally heavy rainfall.
Once again, that's Ag Meteorologist Chris Schrammick at Decision Weather in Atwood for 106.1 KYVZ. I'm Joe Vazurek.